Have a nice day. My name is Miroslav Reiter from Bratislava University of Economics and Management, and I would like to present the topic of my research paper with title Comparative Analysis of Agile Frameworks, Scrum Kanban, and Extreme Programming. Very briefly about the content of our presentation and research paper. At the beginning, we will have a look at the introduction and abstract of our contribution. Then we will discuss the aims and methods used in the research paper. We will analyze the result, and in conclusion, we will be happy to hear your question and discussion. We will look at the recommendation from the result of our research. Paper has classification L86, M15, and O32. We use multi-criteria comparative analysis. Today I will discuss the critical role of Agile frameworks in helping organizations navigate digital transformation. Agile frameworks ensure that IT strategies are aligned with business goals, which is essential for success in today's fast-paced environment. I've conducted a comparative analysis of three key frameworks: Scrum, Kanban, and Extreme Programming. I will briefly cover their methodologies, processes, and how flexible and suitable they are for different types of organization. Each framework brings its own benefits, particularly in improving business processes and managing resources effectively. However, challenges such as need for expertise and financial investment are important to consider when implementing these frameworks. To conclude, I will provide practical recommendations for organization. Whether you are looking to adapt a single framework or combine them into a hybrid model, the focus should always be on meeting the specific needs of your business. In today's era of digital transformation, Agile frameworks play a crucial role in managing and optimizing project workflows. They enable teams to align project objectives with strategic business goals, allowing organizations to react swiftly and effectively to ever-changing demands of the market. As digital projects become increasingly complex, selecting the right Agile framework becomes essential. In this presentation, I will explore three widely used frameworks, as I say, Scrum, Kanban, and Extreme Programming. Each offer a unique approach to project planning, execution, and team collaboration. The primary goal of Agile frameworks is to support continuous improvement, flexibility, and efficiency in project management. These frameworks facilitate better decision-making, resource optimization, and enhance adaptability to changes, which are critical for sustained success in dynamic business environment. Now let's take a closer look at Scrum, one of the most widely used Agile frameworks. Scrum is highly flexible and iterative, which allow teams to adapt their processes to meet specific project needs. It divides work into short, manageable cycles called sprint, ensure that development is sustainable and goals are continuously aligned with project's objectives. Scrum provides the clear framework for teams, roles, and processes, with defined roles such as Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Development Team. These structures help teams to collaborate effectively, promoting accountability and transparency through regular events like daily stand-ups, sprint planning, and retrospective. One of the strengths of Scrum is its focus on delivering results at the end of each sprint, enabling teams to respond quickly to feedback and make improvements continuously. This iterative approach also makes Scrum adaptable to changing requirements, which is ideal for dynamic and evolved projects. However, Scrum has some limitation. Instruction may feel rigid for teams new to Agile or those who works in environments with less flexibility. Scrum requires a high-level commitment and discipline from all team's members, and without this, it may not yield in desired results. Kanban framework is a popular Agile approach that focuses on visualizing workflow and managing work in progress to optimize efficiency. Unlike the other Agile frameworks, Kanban doesn't prescribe specific roles or fixed iteration, make it highly adaptable and suitable for teams that need a continuous flow of tasks. Strengths: Kanban is ideal for teams that requires continuous workflow, as it allows them to adapt to change priorities without the need to define the sprints. Framework's flexibility makes it high effective for operational teams focused on optimizing flow and reducing waste in processes. However, Kanban's lacks predefined structure can be challenging for teams use in Agile, as it requires strong discipline to maintain limits and prioritize tasks effectively. Extreme programming is Agile framework that focuses on technical excellence and frequent delivery of high-quality software. XP is known for emphasis of continuous feedback, testing, and close collaboration, make it particularly suitable for projects with rapidly changing requirements and highly demand for code quality. Extreme programming is highly effective for projects where code quality is critical and where requirements may change frequently, as it supports rapid iteration and adaptation. However, XP can be challenging to implement for teams that are not accustomed to its practice, as it requires a high level of technical discipline and expertise. Primary aim of this research is to explore and analyze the strengths and weaknesses of Scrum, Kanban, and Extreme Programming Agile frameworks. By conducting literature review and comparative analysis, this study seeks to provide insight into theoretical foundation and practical application of these frameworks in various organization contexts, particularly in dynamic and fast-paced project environments. Literature review through review of existing literature, scientific articles, and case studies on Scrum, Kanban, and Extreme Programming is conducted to identify the core principles, methodologies, and best practices of each framework. These reviews establish foundation of understanding how these frameworks operate in different project settings, their unique characteristic, and their sustainability for various types of teams and industries. And comparative analysis is a systematic comparison of these three frameworks is performed focusing on factors such as flexibility, team collaboration, process transparency, adaptability to change, and effectiveness in managing complex projects. This analysis highlights the advantages and limitations of each framework, offering a clear understanding to their strengths and weaknesses when applied as different types of projects and organization settings. The data collection period spanned from April 2024 to June. Research involved a sample 1,185 participants, with a final sample is being 124 fully complete questionnaires. Specifically, 49 of these responses were from state institutions. The response rate for study was 10.5%, which is typically for studies of the scope. Questionnaire is used. The survey consists of 31 questions aimed at evaluating the adoption and effectiveness of selecting enterprise Agile frameworks across various sectors, particularly focusing on their practical implementation and organization impact. In our research paper, we are interested in answer to three research questions. First question is, which Agile framework is most commonly used in public sector in Slovakia? Second question, what are the main differences in project management between Scrum, Kanban, and Extreme Programming? And lastly, third question, what challenges arise when implementing individual Agile frameworks in Slovak companies and organizations? In comparing these Agile frameworks, we selected 10 criteria that reflect different aspects of effectiveness and suitability for specific organization or project. These criteria include the following dimension according this table, which we use to create radar chart. These criteria provide a comprehensive view of different aspects of the Agile framework's models and enable objective comparison of their advantages and disadvantages for specific application. Based on these criteria, we create a radar chart to visualize the strengths and weaknesses of each model. So this visualization radar chart compares Scrum, Kanban, and Extreme Programming across key criteria, highlights their strength and suitability for different project needs. This is question 1. In public sector in Slovakia, Scrum is mostly frequently used framework based on questionnaire research. Public organizations are increasingly adopting Agile practice, and Scrum stand out the preferred framework due to flexibility in project management, ease of implementation, and its ability to improve team communication. Kanban is also gaining traction in certain areas, but particularly where continuous improvement and workflow management are essential. Here's question 2. Scrum focus on working in iterative sprint with clearly defined role and phases such as planning, retrospectives, and daily meetings. Kanban emphasizes the visualization of the entire workflow with the goal of improving flow and limitation works in progress. Without fixed phases or roles, Extreme Programming focuses on techniques like pair programming, test-driven development (TDD), and frequent integration, aiming for high code quality and rapid feedback. Each framework thus contributes to different aspects of project management improvement. And lastly, let's question 3. Main challenges with implementing Scrum include resistance to change, lack of experience with Scrum, and difficulties adhering to sprint cycles. In case of Kanban, challenges often involved introducing it into a traditional hierarchical structure, the need for shift towards continuous improvement culture. Extreme programming may be faced challenging in adopting technical practice like test-driven development, especially if development teams lack sufficient technical knowledge or management support. While all three Agile frameworks, Scrum, Kanban, Extreme Programming, offering significant benefits, each present its own set of challenge. Response notes that Scrum structure approach, while effectively for managing evolving projects, may struggle with long-term planning in large-scale projects. Kanban excellent for continuous delivery and workflow visualization, can encounter difficulties in maintaining work in progress limits and adapting to strategic initiative. So finally, let's take a look and discussion conclusion. Framework reusability analysis demonstrate the Agile frameworks such as Scrum, Kanban, Extreme Programming each offer unique strengths, making them versatile for various project needs. Scrum is highly structured and scalable. Kanban provides flexibility for continuous workflows, and XP focus on the technical excellence, ideal for high quality software development. Alignment with project goals. Crucial factor when selecting an Agile framework is alignment with project goals and team dynamics. Scrum support structured collaborative environments. Kanban suits teams needed flexibility, and XP is best for projects that require frequent adaptation and driven practices. In this paper, we identified the following theoretical implication: framework adaptability, alignment with project goals, scalability as a key feature, resource and expertise consolidation, and innovation and continuous improvement. The implication for practice are important, and these are framework selection, training and professional support, and lastly, scalability and adaptability. Thank you for attention. I will be happy for any question and discussion. We have 17 references for this research paper all available as list.